Well, this is me. Sometimes words come, sometimes words fade as thoughts come and go. It's all a part of our own mind, of what's going on our inside, of the thoughts we're hearing, of what we're experiencing on the outside as well as the inside. I want to make this video today as I was feeling I want to get the camera out. I want to document the day. I want to show and share a bit of a show and tell, a little bit of an insight into my experience of the day, of what I try and incorporate into my day as number one of nature. Time in nature, spending time out with nature, remembering you are a part of nature, you're a part of the environment, to ground yourself. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Number one, public service announcement. Right now I've got on my Earth Runners. They've got their awesome little copper insert, which keeps me grounded with the conductive laces. So love that. And so that is one of the ideas of this video that I want to share, is to reclaim connection, to reconnect with nature, to reconnect to the earth. All it takes is finding part of the earth and your own body, and remembering that they go together. They are a part of nature, of the environment. You are a part of nature. Remember, you are a part of the earth as you have grown with the earth, as you have grown from the earth beneath your feet. You just have to remember that the earth holds energy. We are energy. A lot, if not most, everything is made up of energy, and this energy is beneath us, it is in us, but sometimes it gets depleted when we are disconnected, and we need to remember to reconnect, get out in the sunlight, into nature, spend time in nature with your bare feet, with your bare skin, bare eyes, to the sun, to the sunlight, and remember to take time to take each moment and breathe. Breathe through the nose. Bare feet on the earth, and sun to the light. Stay well. Remember to be a part of the earth.